Let's go do some grayling fishing. Wow, this water's high. Holy, is it ever high?
What happens here?
Make it happening. And here we are, we're back on the Stark River. We're doing some fly fishing right now. The river's extremely high and really fast right now. So we're trying our best. Haven't caught anything yet, we just got here. But it's a beautiful night. Doug's out there. He's trying. Beautiful day on the lake today. Caught a 30 pounder. So life's pretty good. Lodge is over in that direction. And that's great live. The village is over there, just on the other side of Doug, on the other side of that hill. And over here, that's where we shuttle guests down and we bring them across over to the lodge. There's no direct access to the lodge, so we have to shuttle people down in their vehicles from the airport. Yeah, this river's just raging today. Hopefully the levels go down a little bit by next week when my dad and some friends will can make it up to the second set that's up there. That's kind of my goal. I like coming up there with a lot of success. So we'll keep trying. Sometimes you can literally sit here and just troll these flies. Well, we'll keep trying. Oh. Oh, this is going to be perfect. You got the sun right on you.
It's so nice when you pick you guys up. Yeah.
Nice.
Good fish. Do it again. Good save. All right, hold on. Can I cooperate for a picture? No, I don't think you are.
Awesome.
Nice. All right. There you go, bud.
Yes. Getting into some grayling. Love it.
By your feet,
He's
just
right
hanging
down
out.
here by me.
He's right there.
Just right there.
Barely see him, eh?
That sandy bottom, they just
Yeah, they
pop.
blend right into the ridges, the little waves. Just hanging out down there. There you go. That's a better.
Trout.
Is it a trout?
Oh, nice.
Whoop.
Yeah.
Bud.